Howdy folks, I'm Ben. See me in the mirror. Ben Plickard. So if you are interested in watching more of what I do, make sure to subscribe. But today I'm going to talk about the Luxe Bidet, the Neo 185. I've been installing all of these at my house for over the last year. I've got five bathrooms, and so we've been just doing them slowly by little. I installed them in one of my office spaces that we have where this room hasn't been remodeled yet, but regardless, we installed this on one of the toilets here in a commercial building. You can see it's really dirty up here, sorry. But regardless, we installed one of these. It's very simple to install. You can kind of see how it comes with a small Y splitter. The whole thing took me about 10 minutes to do. It actually took me longer to clean the toilet first, but it is all installed. Very, very simple to do. The instructions are pretty simple. We've got them, you've got several different modes on here that you can use. The pressure, how much pressure you want to use. I suggest starting out on the low, and you can use it for wash and the nozzle cleaning, which I can switch over to the nozzle cleaning and show you what that does. If I turn it on here, basically just spirals that out. Now, if you turn on this and you're not sitting down and turn on the wash, you will see that it will need to, I guess, turn up more pressure. It does not appear. Aha, it's kinked. That's the problem. So let's try that again. Yeah, there you go. So we'll have to figure that pressure thing out here as it fills up my bucket of water. Not by design, but just give me a chance to test this here. Kind of see what it does. It looks like I might need to adjust this here. There we go. And we got it's hitting the wall. So yeah. Good thing that'll dry. But it's now got the right pressure. I got rid of the kink in the hose. So I'm Ben. If you want to see more about the crazy things I do, make sure to subscribe. But that is the Luxe Bidet Neo 185. Always good for a laugh.